Greetings everyone, Joseph James here from the Schooloftrade.com with your term and quiz of the day. Now guys, here's how it works. There's going to be a quiz at the end of this video. Guys, click on the link below this video in the description on our YouTube page. And guys, you're going to post your answer on our blog. Now guys, the first 5 correct answers are going to win everything from free beginners courses, 20% off discount coupons, flat screen monitors, right? You don't want to miss, guys, the opportunities at the end of the month. We're going to raffle all the stuff off. The rules are posted in the description as well, so click on the rules link there. See all the rules, and if you guys have more questions, just send us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com. Now, term of the day today is momentum. Now, momentum, if you guys were watching yesterday on Thursday, we saw momentum was all over the place, right? In fact, that was one of the key components of Thursday, right? That was the biggest day of the year so far. One of the key components of one of our challenges was using that momentum indicator because things were moving so quickly. Right, we had to, of course, understand how to use momentum and when it was correct and when it was not correct. Now, it's used with all of our percentage setups, right? We use momentum every second of the day. Every tick of every move, we're watching momentum. It's the force or the strength of the market. We use price and volume to calculate momentum, and it relies on a simple indicator on our charts, right? It's a simple indicator. It's referred to as an oscillator. Okay, that's what momentum is called. It's called an oscillator. It's used on fast time frames for, of course, the most precise entries. And we use it as a final check before we enter our trade. It's essential for all types of traders, guys, and it's really easy to use. Pointed up for long trades, right? Pointed down for short trades. Now, beware of overbought and oversold territory. All right, guys, so beware when the momentum indicator is overbought or oversold. So just want to be careful about that. Now, here's how we use momentum in our daily trading rules. As you guys know, we give you guys these rules every day as part of your free trial, or as a lifetime member. You'll obviously have a lot more than this, but we give everybody a chance to look at our rules, whether or not you're a guest or you're a member. Our rules will confirm our entries and our exits. And as you can see, guys, we have momentum here, both for entries and exits, right? I want to see momentum, of course, for my entries. I also want to see momentum for my exits, right? So we have momentum for the entries and momentum for the exits. Now, guys, if you haven't come out and joined us yet in the live trade room, make sure you come out and join us on Monday morning, 7:45, and we'll talk about how we use momentum, when we use it, right? What it should look like, and we'll go over everything in real time. Now, of course, we'll talk more about kind of how to use it here, right? What does it look like, though? Right? How do I want momentum to look? Well, this is a great example, guys, of what momentum should look like and what you want to avoid here. All right, so first things first, momentum for a short trade, right? For a short trade here. We want to make sure momentum for a short trade is curling over from the top and pointing down, right? So for a short trade, I want it curling over from the top and pointing down. Now be careful, right? I don't want to get wrapped up in momentum that is oversold. So see this red area here, guys? This red area right down here? This is oversold territory. Now, what is likely to happen here, guys, is if we get involved in the trade short side with oversold momentum, it has potential of turning around, reversing, and going right back up. Of course, stopping us out, costing us money, and right, killing our confidence. Now, that's the short side. For the long trade here, the exact opposite. I want my momentum indicator curled up from the bottom for a long trade, and I want to beware of overbought momentum. Because overbought momentum means it can quickly there reverse around and then point back down, and then boy, you know what happens next, right? It's a painless death, right? Stop loss, and we're out of the trade. So again, on a short trade, curling up. On a short trade, curling over from the top and pointing down. For a long trade, right? Curling up from the bottom and pointing up. Beware overbought territory for a long trade. Beware oversold territory for a short trade. All right, guys, very simple, but again, simple things sometimes can be more difficult in live market action. So I really want you guys to come out and join us on Monday morning so we can talk more about that. All right, so once again, short trade, curled over, pointing down from the top. Long trade, pointing up from the bottom, right? That's what you want to remember. All right, guys, take out those pens and paper, close those books, it's quiz time. I know. I hate quizzes too. But this one's cool because you get a chance to win a flat screen monitor at the end of the month. So the ideal momentum for a long trade. I know, we just talked about this. Hit the reverse button. Rewind it. What was it? The ideal momentum for a long trade, right? A long trade. Is it momentum curled over and pointed down? Is it momentum pointing up from the top? Or is it momentum pointing up from the bottom? Which one is it, guys? Which one is it? I know, this was tough. The ideal momentum for a long trade, right? For a long trade, is the momentum curled over and pointing down, momentum pointing up from the top, Or maybe it's momentum pointing up from the bottom. Which one is it, guys? Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, guys, you might qualify for a free beginner's course. Maybe 20% off our advanced course membership. Guys, if you know the answer, in the description of this video, you'll see a link there that says, I know the answer. Click that link, post the answer on our blog, guys. And again, we'll see you guys on Monday morning, 7:45 Eastern Time in a live trade room. We'll give you guys a free 3-week trial. Sign up for that on our homepage. And for more information, that's sales@schooloftrade.com. We've had a great week, second week of the month, guys, of 2010. We'll see you guys Monday morning. Bye-bye for now.